Hello dear friends, in this video I am going to discuss some C codes for beginners which will help them to improve their C skills and could be helpful for solving aptitude questions as well. So let's begin. What will be the output of this program? In this program you can see that I have declared one variable I which has been assigned to 4. Now switch statement will take I as an input which is 4. As we don't have any matching case for I, that is 4, it will execute default statement and will print hello everyone. So you might be thinking that after executing or after displaying hello everyone, it will take control out of the loop. But no guys, as we don't have any break statement for default, it will continue executing case number 1 and it will display welcome all. So after executing welcome all, that is case number 1, we have a break statement which will take control out of the switch case. So let's execute this. So here you can see that we have hello everyone and welcome all as a output. Now let's try to remove that break statement from case number 1. Now we don't have a break statement for case number 1 as well. So after executing default statement and case number 1, it will execute case number 2 as well and will display happy learning. So let's check this. So here you can see that we have all 3 statements as output now. Okay, let's move to the next program. You can pause this video for a while and can guess the output. Let me show you the options for this. Option number A is the condition in for loop is must. So here condition must be there. The 2 semicolons should be dropped. We have specified 2 semicolons here. Those should be dropped. For loop should be replaced with the while loop. So this for loop should be replaced with the while loop and no error. That means this program don't have any errors. So these are the 4 options. So the output of this program is D, that is no errors. We don't have any errors in this program. So you might be thinking that our for loop don't have any of 3 statements, that is we don't have any initialization statement, we don't have any conditional statement, or we don't have any increment and decrement statement. Even though guys this loop will get executed as these 3 statements are optional. So as value of I is 1, it will check for the condition. We don't have any condition, so it will continue executing this loop. It will reach printf, it will execute printf and it will display I value, that is 1. So it will check condition here, that is 1 is less than 10, so which is false. So it won't execute this break statement. So after completing this loop, it will check for condition once again. As we don't have condition, it keeps executing printf, it keeps checking if condition, and it keeps executing for loop for infinite number of times. So let's check the output. So here you can see that our output is 1 is getting displayed for infinite number of times. So we don't have any errors in this program. So such kind of for loop works without any errors. Okay guys, let's move to the next code. In this code I have declared one variable I which has been assigned to value 1. I is less than or equal to 10, condition is checked. We also have increment statement, that is I++, and we have displayed value of I. So before coming to any conclusion, just notice this semicolon at the end of for loop. So as we have semicolon at end of this for loop, what it means? It means that this for loop don't have any body to be executed. That means this block of code don't have any relation with this for loop. So what will be the output? How it is going to get executed? Initially I value will get initialized with 1. 1 less than or equal to 10 condition will be checked, which is true, but we don't have any body to be executed, so it will increment value of I by 1, which will become 2. In next iteration 2 less than or equal to 10 condition will be checked. Again we don't have any body to be executed, so it will increment value of I by 1 once again and it will become 3, and this process keeps continue till this condition become false. So when value of I become 11 less than or equal to 10 condition become false, and then it will take control out of this for loop. So out of this for loop we have block of code where we have executed printf, in which we have displayed value of I, and the last value of I was 11, so it will display 11 once. So that is the output of this program. For more such videos, keep watching this channel. Thank you.